I laid out from your back door, kicked an old can 50 miles or more, written right there on the side of the can, little bird of heaven right here in your hand. I looked up, I looked back, walked 100 miles on the railroad track, and all I can tell from where I stand is there's a little bird of heaven right here in my hand. Love, they tell me, the fragile thing, hard to fly on broken wings, and I lost my ticket to the promised land, little bird of heaven right here in my hand. Toss it up, pass it around, pay mind to what you're carrying around, and keep it close, hold it while you can, little bird of heaven right here in your hand. Falling hearts, falling leaves, starlings light on broken trees, and I find we all need a place to land, and there's a little bit of heaven right here in your hand. Love, they tell me, is a fragile thing, hard to fly on broken wings. Lost my ticket to the promised land, little bird of heaven right here in my hand. Falling hearts, falling leaves, starlings light on the broken trees. Find we all need a place to land, and there's a little bit of heaven right here in your hand. And there's a little bit of heaven right here.